What's up, fam? I am Biko Maximus, aka Devil Black. Laminko nakonapo kulotandizinto. Kulu, can you tell us about the advantages and disadvantages for an artist to post their music on WhatsApp groups as raw MP3 files? Yebo yes. Mina ngakutsho nje akuna advantage. Disadvantage is you can imagine uma artist ufuna ukusebenza no Dr. Dre uzomthumela iMP3 eWhatsApp yini. So why mara why ukwenza hayi khulu uyangcwalisela uthi so yazi kodwa akuhlekisi nje engikutsho boys ukuthi nje you know these days ufanele ubani unga professional kulabo Twitter, kunabo YouTube, kulabo audio maker kwamahara, kulabo Spotify, kunengi you know. Kodwa nje lawe as an artist ungafaka nje audio kwakho create nje profile ku YouTube to copyright stuff sakho nje othumela ngama links kulula nje engakucebisa nje ukuthi as an artist ungumrapper ushaya ucula oba ne press kit. I-press kit yakho prepared, you know, enama profile pic, enama music link, elo email, eno Facebook, Twitter kwakho ngama account kwakho konke kugoqeleke into one press kit. Uma ungakwazi buza abaphambili, indlela buza kwabaphambili boys, kulothanda izinto yankhetha. Thank you Kulos. Hey, thank you. That's like enlightening information, right? Either you get it or you don't. But anyway, we signing off with the Kulo Tandizinto. Yeah, I'm Devil Black, Biko Maximus. We out.